the corduroy clean, okay, as I was trying to say, the corduroy clean, Lord have mercy, just take the wheel. The corduroy cream color. The corduroy cream colored pillow covers. Guys, I have been trying to film this video for like 2 months. We got an Amazon haul. Let's go ahead and just get right on into it. Okay, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Binge watch my videos if you like them. If you like more, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get started with this haul. So let's start with, you guys, this hat or cap organizer hanger, you guys. So let me tell y'all something about my home. This man will lay down a hat at any point in this house, and it's just so annoying because it's like, sir, would you please take this hat and go put it up? So I decided to buy him a little cap organizer, okay? It's come quite in handy because whenever he needs a hat to match with the outfit or something, he just goes picks the hat out and he puts it back when he gets done. So we also picked up some curtain rods for our new curtains in our bedroom. They're a brushed nickel color. In our bedroom, I wanted everything to be light, airy, flowy. I didn't really want any dark pieces, any blacks or anything like that in there. So I didn't want to do any golds because I have a lot of gold in my office here. So I went ahead with a brushed nickel finish for our curtain rods. Absolutely love these. They are very much like the curtain rods that I have here in my office, which I found these, I believe, in Target or in Walmart. So I was able to find some just like them on Amazon and for a great price. I also got this like little faux stone diffuser so that I can drop my essential oils in it. Keep the room smelling delicioso, okay? I don't even know if that's how you're supposed to say it, but anywho, so I can keep the room smelling good. So I do have this diffuser. I love the colors, like a cream, white color. Really, really goes with the aesthetic of the entire room. So I figured, why the freak not? Another piece of organization that I bought was for our drawers. These are the foldable clothing storage organizers that you slide into your dressers so you can organize your panties, your socks, your bras, all that good stuff. And that way you can add more of that inside your actual drawers. My husband's like, girl, get that away from me. I don't need that. And I was like, okay, well, I will just take all the storage organizers. So I use these for my clothes on my side of the drawer. And I find them to be very beneficial because when I'm looking for socks or I'm looking for underwear, I could just pull out the ones that I need. Because I'm going to be honest with y'all, I'm one of those people that just throw it in that little bucket that be in the room until it get to overflowing. And then I got to go, you know, start folding clothes and nobody likes folding clothes. But when you have like little organizational things like this all over the house, it kind of makes it fun to organize stuff. So this makes it kind of fun for me to do it, and that's pretty much the only way that I get things organized. Now just a little few decor things that I have like on my nightstands that I thought were really, really cute. So I have these Rule coffee table decor. Look, basically little chains, baby, okay? Because this name that's on this thing is way too long. So I have one of these in white on my coffee table in my living room, but I also wanted to get something to put as decor on my actual nightstands in the bedroom. So I got one of these to put on one side, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I love the natural wood color and the wood finish. It really, really flows with the, you know, the color scheme that I have going on in the room. So I really like that. Next, I have these decorative books. Y'all, let me tell you about these books, okay? So, when I originally got the books, I was like, oh my God, these little 4 books are going to be perfect for the neutral decor, blah, 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 right? And so, I didn't realize that these were fake cardboard books. And so when I got them, I was really upset. I was like, what the hell? Why do I have these little fake books? I don't want this crap. And I was like, wait a minute. When I looked back at the price and I saw it, and it literally says that these are premium fake books with no pages, I was like, ooh, I must have wasn't reading because it literally says it right there. But then when I started putting the book together, I said, this is actually a genius idea. For one, any decor book that I have in my house, I don't use it. I have a cookbook in my kitchen I don't use. It's just there for decor. I also have another decor book on my dresser in my bedroom. It's heavy. It has plenty of pages. It has plenty of information in there. But I don't read the book. So there would not be a purpose in spending a lot of money for real books and I'm not going to use it. I also got these Yahi barrel chairs. I also saw these same exact chairs on the Target website, and they were like $150, $200 more than what I purchased these ones for. So I was very excited about that. It's super, super plush, and I really I like it because of the Sherpa that's on it. And I love the color of it or whatnot. But y'all, I'm just gonna be honest with you. I don't ever sit in the chairs. I do not sit in the chair. I mean, whoever uses their decor pieces for actual use, functional use, I don't think we do. I think we just get stuff because we think it's cute. So yeah, that's kind of what I did with this. I just thought the stuff was cute. I also discovered this neutral light gray rug, you guys, that I have in my bedroom. I absolutely love this rug. I feel like it tied all the color schemes that I was trying to go for together in that room. It pulled the gray off the walls. It pulled the tans and to go with the dressers. It pulled the creams to go with like my bedding and my chairs and stuff. It just flows perfectly. Absolutely love this freaking rug. If I could get it and put it in this room, I would. But I absolutely love the rug, you guys. It's really, really gorgeous. It just brought everything together, in my opinion. I also got the same curtains that I have throughout the entire home. These are the off-white ones, so they're a little bit lighter in color than the cream ones that I have all over the house, or the linen, the natural ones that I have all over the house. But I love the fabric of these. They're very, very durable. They still allow light to filter through, which I believe is very, very important because I love to let as much light in my home as I possibly can. So I absolutely love this. Love this, love this, love this. Next, let's jump into my bedding, you guys. I got this super large waffle blanket, you guys. I have a king size bed and I still have hangage on all sides. I love the hangage. I hate covers that are too small. It makes me so upset. And they say that they're like for king and whatever, blah, 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 and they still don't fit. As I was able to find this color. I absolutely love the color. Love this actual blanket. It does keep me nice and warm, and it has like a little bit of weight to it. We also got this duvet cover insert. I don't know. I'm new to duvets, you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest with you. I was just a comforter girl all my life, because they were cheaper, and I didn't have to put it inside something else. It just makes sense. I don't know, but I wanted to be bougie. I wanted to step my game up. I wanted to come up in the world, so I decided to get a duvet and a cover the insert. Honestly, it's heavy. Why is it so heavy? I don't understand why it's heavy, but I think that's the purpose of it, and I think people really like that about duvets. So I think in sense of it being a duvet, if this is what people are looking for, it's like the feather filled one. It's a little heavy. It's down. That's what it's called. It's down filled. If that's what you're looking for, absolutely go for it. Also did get the duvet itself, duvet cover itself. Now this is a linen duvet cover, which is very, I feel like it's very high end in my opinion. But like I said, I'm more so like things that are more comfortable as far as to aesthetically pleasing. But if you're looking for aesthetically pleasing, these are definitely the items for you. I also grabbed a few decorative pillows and shams and all that stuff like that. I had two 26 by 26 inch pillows. I also have three 28 by 28 inch pillows. If I had known the size difference that wasn't as much as I thought it was going to be, I should have gotten a 24 or 22 for the smaller size, but it's okay. It's fine. The pillow covers I got, the first one that I got, this cream color here, the corduroy clean, okay, as I was trying to say, the corduroy clean, Lord have mercy, just take the wheel. The corduroy cream color. The corduroy cream colored pillow covers that I got were inspired by Aaliyah's face. I was going back watching decor, Amazon stuff and all that good stuff, bedroom hauls and all that good stuff. And I saw hers and I was like, oh my God, I love that texture. Want that for the bed. So that's where I found originally. So I got those, and I also got these velvet What is that? Velvet. Something's wrong with me. So I got these velvet pillow covers as well. Love them. They're like a stone color. They work really, really well with the color scheme that I have on the bed for my layering and all that good stuff. Okay, so I really, really like that. And also, and lastly, for the bed, I did get this extremely chunky knit blanket throw. Super chunky. It's like how you would love for your little babies to be, really, really good and chunky. That's what this blanket is like for me. I absolutely love it. It feels super soft. It's really, really nice. I wish it was longer in length so that way it'll cover all, like both ends of the bed, like when I lay it across the bottom of the bed. But I think they make them in a larger size. I just think I got the 15 by 60. So I would go larger if I were to buy another one. But I really, 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 really like this blanket. Just a couple more home things. I did purchase a new lighter because we did not have a lighter in the house for our candles. And this one is extremely cool. I would say be very mindful because when you turn it on, it sounds like a dog whistle. And if you have dog ears like me, you're going to hear it and it's going to screw you up mentally, okay? So... But it's really nice. It's really, really cool the way that it lights. It's like these two ends that come together. And it's really cool. So if you like really, really cool stuff, that's definitely really, really, really cool. So I recommend. All right, you guys. So next, I want to talk about really quickly these spa wristbands that I picked up, you guys. I really, really like these items. I'm one of those people that hate for the water to drip down my wrist and go all the way to my arm and get to my elbow and be dripping. Girl, I can't stand it, okay? I can't stand wet feet. I can't stand that. So these little guys help prevent all that water from dripping down and just keeps it all up in the wristband. You definitely want to make sure, though, that you wash them regularly because you don't want any stinky, moldy mildew or anything like that on your wrist. The next few items I got were some around the house type wear, okay, some loungewear. So I did get this cardigan and I got it in a couple different colors. So it's like little knit cardigan sweater. Y'all, I love cardigans. I live for cardigans. I wear them around the house as my house coats, okay? Not my robe, but as my house coat. Check your mama and if they're from the South, they know exactly what a house coat is, okay? But that's what I like to wear around the house. And I also got these little two-piece, like workout sets, athleisure legging sets. They're like ribbed and they're like the faux skims. And I got them in the same exact colors that I got the cardigans in so that I can have like this little matching, like, you know, little wear whatnot where I'm walking around the house. And y'all, let me tell you how it worked, okay? I was wearing the blue sets with the cardigan and babe came home. He was like, where you been today? What you had going on? I said, I ain't been doing nothing, just sitting around the house and whatnot. So he liked it. All right, y'all. So that concludes my Amazon haul video for today. Okay, if you liked any of the items or if you think any of the items will be helpful for you, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. Of course, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure that you are following me over on Instagram at Sharniece. Thank y'all again so much for watching and tuning into the channel. Make sure that you check out this week's vlog and check out all the previous videos on my channel. Make sure you binge watch every last one of them. If you like what you see, then definitely go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.